Where are we right now?
Dartmouth Skiway.
There's been 5 inches of snow recently, so the conditions are pretty good.
In this video, my daughter and I are at the Dartmouth Skiway for President's Day weekend 2019. We're hitting the top of the chairlift. We're hitting the chairlift to the top of Winslow Mountain and taking the trails down the mountain. The trails we were hitting were Upper, Howard Chivers, onto Pass Vale. There are other trails up there that are blue trails, which are great as well, like MD, MBA, and Herman's Highway. The Dartmouth Skiway is actually owned by Dartmouth College, and it's frequently visited by Dartmouth students as well as families living nearby in the area. The great thing about this mountain is that there are no lines, and when there's been recent snowfall, as there was during our visit, the conditions are usually great. They make their own snow, but you need a layer of fresh snow to make it really good. It's President's Day weekend, and the first 2 days we were there were very sunny, like in these shots here. It happened to coincide with the Winter Carnival, which is a weekend at Dartmouth College where they invite a lot of the other colleges to come and race on the mountain. Despite there being a lot of college kids in the area, it still wasn't that crowded. We had a great time the first 2 days. The last day we were there was actually President's Day, a national holiday, and we were lucky. A new snowstorm came in and laid down 4 to 5 inches of new snow, so we got to ski and snowboard in powder. As you can see, my daughter and I are just going down the same trail over and over for the weekend. We had a lot of fun. Gabby has been skiing for a couple of years now, getting better, but this day on President's Day weekend was one of the first times she could ski in snow and in powder. I'm trying to learn a few new tricks on my snowboard, practicing a lot of ground spins with my snowboard on the ground, and then adding a few presses while I'm spinning, which means leaning back on your back foot, and adding a few hops as well to the 180s. We're using a GoPro 7 camera attached to a selfie stick, and then just taking turns using them down a few of our runs. So you've got to visit this Dartmouth Skiway. It's a great place to visit, great place for families, great place for college kids as well. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please click like, comment, or subscribe to my channel. I've got other snowboarding videos in my snowboarding playlist, and I've got other family fun videos also on my family fun playlist. Please check that out. Thanks. Have a great day.